This video is sponsored by VLAND, your aftermarket automotive lighting solution. They've been around since 1987 with a presence on 4 continents and in more than 20 countries. With top-notch customer service and quick shipping, they are a great solution to your automotive lighting needs. They have headlights and taillights for a number of different vehicles, as well as a multitude of LED bulbs to meet your lighting needs. They also have fog lights and license plate lighting accessories to finish off your VLAN lighting package. VLAN strives to be a leader in the market from the manufacturing technologies they use and through their logistical and customer service expertise. With a 4.3 out of 5 stars rating, this isn't just my opinion. A little secret about them is that some of you out there may already have VLAN headlights or taillights and don't even know about it, because they also work with a number of manufacturers for various OEM applications alongside their aftermarket lines. The links to a couple of their different vendors will be in the description below. Oh, yeah, and if you watch to the end of the video, there might be a coupon code for you for an additional 10% off of your next purchase from VLAN. Now, on to the video. In this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the VLAN taillights for the Evo 10 GSR. So, just got the box today, quickly shipped to me. The earliest they were going to get it to me from Amazon was 18 days, but I got it directly from VLAN in 4. And this is during the pandemic too. First compliment is, box is in good shape. UPS did a good job of shipping it. Alright, let me get this set up here so we can get a better look. In the box, we've got the wiring harness, a little quick connect guide, helps show you what lights do what and how to hook it up. And we've got all 4 of the lights in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one's individually bagged, and they have this nice film to protect it. Looks good. Now, seals on the plugs look good. Plugs themselves look good. Alright, let's put this back in the bag here. Take a look at the next one. Alright, now we'll check this one out. Again, protective film goes all the way over the light. Looks like plugs are clean, wires are good, connectors are good. And again, so far I'm impressed with the consistency of quality here. Alright, on to the third one here. And yep, same as the other 2. Film's good, plugs are good, wiring's good. Still pretty consistent. Alright, this one, protective film came off just a little bit off the corner here, but there's no scratches or marks on it, so that's good. And again, the wiring harness all looks good, plugs look good. Plugs look good. That's about it for the unboxing. In the next video, we're going to install these bad boys and show you how much work that is to put these in. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button down below. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get updated every time that we post a new video. Thanks for coming. Have a great day.